In this video, we are going to review the best RV mattress available in the current market. After reviewing 10 RV mattress and interviewing 50 users, we built this best list for you.
Number 1.
eLuxury Supply RV Mattress Pad King. It is made from a comfortable and durable polyester blend with a plush bamboo cover filled with 25 ounces of hypoallergenic alternative down cluster fiber. The fiber fill has the same feel as authentic goose and duck's down without the uncomfortable feathers poking out or common allergenic components. There is also a double needle baffle box stitch that prevents the fill from shifting around as you sleep.
Number 2.
Lifestyle's Short QueenMattress Pad. If you're in search of a quality option that provides support and works well on a bunk bed, this is a great model. It is designed specifically to fit in RVs and campers with a short queen mattress size measuring 60 by 75 inches. It can fit over mattresses 10 inches thick or less. The mattress topper itself is nearly an inch thick, providing well-cushioned support.
Number 3.
Mattress BPP-GM-2.5SQ Topper. It is 2.5 inches thick and filled with gel-infused memory foam that will mold to accommodate your sleeping preferences and provide pressure-relieving support. This option is ideal for those that have trouble sleeping because of pain or pressure points. On top of that, the memory foam improves both the comfort and temperature of the mattress. Its ventilated design creates a cooling effect by increasing the airflow and preventing body heat from becoming trapped.
Number 4.
RV Bamboo Pillow Top Mattress Pad. This model is the perfect fit for an RV queen mattress. Cozy and sleek with extra safety features, it will easily enhance the stiff mattress that comes on most RV beds. It is 60 inches wide, 80 inches long, and 1.5 inches thick. The exterior is made from white, water-resistant bamboo material and is stuffed with Revloft fill, a well-cushioned and hypoallergenic alternative to traditional down material.
Number 5.
eLuxury Supply RV Mattress Pad Short Queen. Another excellent product from veteran-owned eLuxury Supply. This model is cozy, hypoallergenic, and made entirely in the United States. It measures 60 inches wide and 75 inches long, which will easily fit on top of a typical short queen-sized mattress. Its elastic skirt can be secured around mattresses that are up to 18 inches thick. The stain and water-resistant cover is made from soft 123 thread count cotton secured with a double needle baffle box stitch that holds the fill in place. It has a diamond quilted design and each pad is stuffed with 25 ounces of cooling and hypoallergenic Revloft fiber fill.